Okay, no, just let me go. I tried to help her. But you know women just... Oh, don't even go there.
Casey, come help me. I got it!
Yeah, but stop because there's like tons of snow on your board. Look at it, Rob. Get a shot of that. Huh?
Help me.
Stop the blood.
Oh, it won't go on.
There you go. Oh, you need my help.
Well, I did. I put this.
Oh, do you want to wear this hood?
No.
Yeah, be careful, don't fall on that concrete. I did that a couple weeks ago. Once it gets deeper, it'll be okay. But once it gets deeper, you can start up there, come right down here, and hit all the way down
That's what I was trying
to
to.
those yards. Just be careful on that concrete, it's still not real thick.
Why don't you go get your snowboard?
Okay.
Huh?
Okay.
You gotta have fun in the snow too, Rob.
Okay.
My buckle's frozen.
Wow.
Near my nose. What? Somebody with a flashlight just shined it.
Can you buckle this? Take your gloves off.
Buckle this.
Man. Set the wrong way.
Wow. I feel sick, man.
I'm afraid I'm gonna kick somebody.
Mom, you gonna watch the turn? Huh?
Don't go on the road.
I'm not. They hit me, they're gonna betray my doctor then.
No.
Don't be no doctor then. See, if they. You hear me?
Good.
You hear me?
Good job. Yeah.
Alright, you ready to watch me turn around?
Yeah.
Alright, come on.
Look, this side.
To the other side, alright? We'll go this way. Not the easy way, but this way.
Okay, go.
What were you laughing at?
Brianna dragging a pole. I mean, a snowboard.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Alright, gun's on. Gun's on.
I have to go down left-handed,
Why?
even though I'm right.
Why?
Yeah, I'm easier that way.
Why?
Because I do everything, like I throw with my right side, but I have to like in tumbling, I have to go to my left.
Come across the driveway, alright?
Be careful, if you fall on that concrete, it hurts.
probably need to go that way. Ready? I'm gonna grab my board while I'm in there.
Okay, careful. Yeah, don't crush your finger. I need a little more height.
Huh?
Probably need to hit it off a jump.
I need to go off that right there. Somehow, I need to go on the street, come across this yard and hit that.
Yeah.
I need to try that one day, you know?
Uh-huh.
Where'd Casey go, Ross?
He's down there by the Jeep.
Where?
By the Jeep.
And now I'm stopped. Yay! I'm old and I did it! That might be Brian right there. No.
Here I come.
Okay, come on, just don't run into me.
Ready?
Uh-huh. You guys, you're good. Good job.
I went all the way over here. Well, I know, but Ross said not to go on the concrete. No, I went on it. I missed the concrete. Barely. You on your way?
I did it before when it was thicker. I started up there, came right down through here, down there, and all the way down through about 3 yards.
Me and him both did that.
But you get the concrete, you just have to make sure you don't fall on the concrete because it's
Yeah.
still not real thick.